Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Trisha. I hope everyone is doing great. So today I am back again with another new video, and in today's video I will be talking about an important part of makeup. And yes, you have guessed it right, it's the lipstick, because I think lipstick is the most important product in all of the makeup, because without that pop of color in your lips, no makeup is ever. Today I will be sharing with all of you my top 10 lipsticks that I use on an everyday basis, and the shades that will include are mainly nudes, reds, and also you'll find other colors as well, like brown or plum, etc. And also another thing, the pricing of the product are like, it's very affordable. All the lipsticks are really affordable, and I think 2 or 3 of the products will be more than 500 rupees, rest all will be below 500. And I'll also mention the price so that it will be easier for you to understand as well. And another thing about the price that I will mention, it will be the MRPs. But you can always go to Nykaa, and you can, I think Nykaa is having some sale going on there, so you will find all the products in a much cheaper price, so you can just go and check it out there. So without wasting any more time, quickly let's get into the video. So I will start off with the most important shade of lipstick of my life, and that is red, because red is the color that I need to apply every single day for my work. So because of that, I have a lot of red lipsticks, but among them 4 of the red lipsticks that I'll be sharing are my favorites. So yes, I'll show you one by one. So to start off with, I'll first share with all of you the red shades that I have, and the first one is from the Maybelline, the Loaded Bold by Color Sensational, and it's in the shade of Smoking Red. So you can see I've already finished this product, but it's such a pretty color, and you just need to apply a single stroke and you're good to go. It's a bold red, and it's a very pretty color and goes with all the Indian skin tones. So the next one is another Maybelline Creamy Matte shade, and it's in the shade of Cosmopolitan Red. So this shade is very pretty, and it is just the perfect red that every one of us want. You can just see. So it's more of, the first one is more of bold in shade, and the next one is little light in color compared to the upper one. So then it comes another one, and it's also the same Maybelline Creamy Matte. I just love the creamy mattes because it stays on your lips for a longer period of time, and it's in the shade Siren in Scarlet. It's also another pretty red shade. This is the color. So all 3 of them are mainly the same shades, kind of same, but when you look different in all the 3 shades. So the next one is another red shade, but it's not proper red. It's in the shade the Runway Red by Lakme Absolute, and the shade I'll show you. So it's not that perfect red, but it's kind of a brick color red shade. So this is also a pretty color, and you have seen in all the lipstick, you just need to apply a single stroke and you're good to go. So that's why all the lipstick stays for a long period. So next up are the shades that every one of us nowadays love to use, and yes, that is the nude shades. So there are too many nude shades options available in the market, and I have 3 nude shades, and I'll show you one by one. So the first one is the one that I have applied. You can see it's a pretty pinkish nude color, and it's from Nykaa, and it's their Nykaa Lip Crayon in the shade Sweet Talk 25. So this is a lip crayon, and you can see it's amazing. You just need one stroke and you're good to go. Color that it has, the formulation, it's amazing. It stays for more than 5 to 6 hours without any touch up, and also it is good for all the skin tones, be it you are fair or you are medium or you have dark skin, doesn't matter. This is the color that suits all skin tone and it suits really well. So next up is again a product from the Maybelline Color Sensational, and it's in the shade Nude Nuance. I hope I've pronounced it right. So this is the shade. You can see this is the shade, and it's also a very pretty nude color, but it's not a pinkish nude, it's more of a brownish nude, and it looks great when you will do a bold eye look. With that, this lip color goes really well. So next up is this cutie. So this is Nykaa Matte Mini, and I just love using this product. It's such a tiny product, but you don't need to apply much of it on your lips, because it's just one stroke and you're good to go. I have ordered this, I think 4 months back, 4 to 5 months back, and still I have so much product left, and I use this like most often, and it's in the shade Naughty Nude. This is the color. It's such a pinkish nude color. So yes, that's about the nude collection, nude favorite collection that I have. So other than that, I have 3 lipsticks. So this is the Lakme 925 lipstick, and it's in the shade Red Rust. So as by the name you got to know, it's a rusty color. This is the color. It's more of a rusty color. You can see it's brownish in shade. It's like burnt brick color, and it goes really well with all the Indian skin tone. It's mainly for the brown skin tone. So the next lipstick is again from Lakme Absolute, and it's in the shade Merlot, and it's a very old lipstick, like it's very old. I have not used it much, but this is such a pretty brown color. Show you. Yes. This is the shade. It's such an amazing brown. It's not that bold, but it's such a subtle lip color for your lip that it will, if you are doing bold eye look, this lipstick is one of the best option for it. And the last one, but not the least one, is the Lakme Absolute in the shade Delicious Plum. And yes, it's a plum shade. It's such a nice bold color that actually I generally prefer. This is the color. So I generally don't like too much dark lipstick except red, but trust me, when I bought this product, I was in love with it. It will instantly change your look, just like that. It will instantly give that glow. So these are the 10 shades of lipstick that I use, and if you like the video, then please give it a big thumbs up and also share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please hit on the red subscribe button on the right side of your screen. So I'll be back with another new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.